In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more credits in ElevenLabs fast and easy. Whether you're running low on credits or planning ahead to ensure uninterrupted access to your favorite features, getting more credits is simple and can be done in just a few steps. So let's dive right in and get you all set up. First, let's start by heading over to the ElevenLabs website. Once you're there, take a look in the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon sitting there waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it. The profile icon is your gateway to managing your account, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with where it is situated for future reference. After clicking on the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear offering you several options. From this list, you need to select either subscription or pricing. Both options are designed to display the available plans and credit options, so picking either will work for your needs. If you've been toying with upgrading your plan, or just need a little top-up, you're in the right place. Once you've navigated to the subscription or pricing section, you'll encounter a variety of plans suited to different needs. Here, you have two main choices to make. You can either opt for a different subscription plan that better meets your usage requirements, or, if you're happy with your current plan, you can manually add credits directly to your account. The flexibility means you can adjust on the fly, depending on how your needs evolve over time or in response to some of the cool new features you might want to explore. Having decided on the best plan or credit addition for your situation, the next step is to head over to the checkout. The checkout process is straightforward, guiding you through the necessary details needed to complete the transaction efficiently. Follow the prompts carefully, ensuring you input the required information accurately. Many people find it helpful to double-check their details before submitting, just to avoid any hiccups that could delay receiving those all-important credits. Once the checkout is complete, you'll be pleased to know that your account will be credited instantly. This means you can start using your credits straight away without any delay. You won't need to wait long before diving back into whatever exciting project or task you're eager to continue with. And that's it. Getting more credits on ElevenLabs is as straightforward as that. By following these simple steps, you ensure that you're always equipped with the necessary resources to fully leverage all that ElevenLabs has to offer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the enhanced experience with your new credits.